Okay, everyone is here?
Yes, sir, you may continue.
Okay, so uh, let me share the screen first. Okay, so copying objective marks over here. So we got our objective marks. Now we can delete this column also. Delete this column from here. Fine. Now, as Yogesh sir has already explained us, so how to evaluate the paper. Hello. Okay, I have muted off
Chana,
now.
ma'am.
Yes. So I have deleted that objective column because I have already copied the marks and converted also. Now, as already Yogesh sir has explained us how to evaluate the subjective marks. So with the same line on the same method, I'm going to show you the demo. We have to add a row after each student like this. Insert, click on the student and insert. Okay. Now suppose this question is of 1 mark, and if you feel the answer is correct, the question number 1 is machine language, the answer is correct. Type here 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks, 2 marks. As per the marks allocated to the question, you have to type the marks over here. Now, okay, so there are 9 questions. Sorry, 10 questions. I'm going to allocate the marks over here. Fine. Now I require a total of subjective marks over here in this column. What I will do, I will place my cursor, means this is my active cell. You can see the address over here, O3. The cell address is O3. It is over here, and it is for the first student. What I will do, I will click on the auto sum. You can see the auto sum option over here. I have to click on the auto sum. If auto sum option is not in your Excel, see the formula. Formula is given over here equal to sum D3 colon N3. Now, what is this that I am going to explain? This is your first objective question. Sorry, first subjective question D. This is a column number. This is a row number 3. From D3, you have to add up to your last question, which is in the M3. Which is in the M3 column. Okay, so what I will do, equal to, always the formula start in Excel with the equal to sum D3 colon M3. Okay, so see, you can see the blue line. So I'm going to add all these marks and I will say enter. As soon as I say enter, I will get the total of subjective marks which I'm going to allocate per question. Okay, similarly, I will drag it up to the last student. So for the second student, I will allocate few marks. Like this, I'm allocating the marks. For the third student, I will allocate few marks. Okay. Now what I will do, I will drag this for the students. See, you can see for the 3 students, I got the marks 17, 14, 16. These are the, don't consider these marks because these are the marks of objective. So that we are already done. Okay. After this, now this two column belongs to first student. What I'm going to do over here, I will, this we have to do the manual work over here because there is no any embedded formula in the Excel for this. So what I'm going to do, equal to sum, I will add 2 columns. equal to sum opening bracket. I will select this column first. This is N2. I will press a control key and I will select this column. You have to press the control key. Don't release the control key. Now release the control key and close the bracket. Enter. So you will get the total. Whatever out of 40, out of 100, whatever the paper it might be. So generally it is out of 14 in this assessment case. So you will get the total out of 40. So I will show you again how I did it. Equal to sum opening bracket. First, select the objective marks column, that is 10, that is N2. Press the control key and select this. Or if it is not possible for you, type it N2 shift plus O3. O3. It will give the same result. So it is more easy. Okay. Sorry. O equal to sum equal to sum this plus this and enter. Okay, so you will get the total. Now the last task, the last step, you have to drag it. So you will get the marks 27, 24, 22 alternate marks. This 0 is nothing, means हमको 0 से कुछ नहीं करना है because we have added a row for a student. So this is the assessment for online procedure, and you can here write you can at the last of the assessment you can write down correction corrected by and
So
moderated.
this can also be on the top.
Yes, this
The
can
way
be
Yogesh sir say, we can also insert cell up and we can put it at the up itself, even for online. Why not making it uniform?
you can insert the cell up over here, corrected by and moderated by. All these things are given in the presentation also. You can see presentation. See, all these things are given in the presentation. Just a minute, I will show you. See, you have to add a 3 column. Okay, step by step
So
everything.
start the share this now slideshow.
Okay. See, so open your Google exam form link, download the responses, use custom sort, the add level, then you will get the division wise and roll number wise sorted students. See, it is shown over there how to do that. Select it, custom sort, add level over here first, then roll number, then look for the responses according to the timestamp that I have already shown you. You have to delete it if it is more than 1 responses. Then objective questions, you have to add the 3 columns: objective marks, subjective marks, and total. See, like this: subjective marks, objective marks, and total. Okay, so after that, add a single row after each student and allocate the marks as per the evaluation. See image. So it is given in the further image. Click on the subjective marks cell and apply formula. Click on the auto sum option of the right hand top corner. See image on the next slide. Confirm every allocated marks is selected. See, like this. Auto sum option. You will get the formula automatically over here in the subjective marks. The marks you allocated over here for the answers that students had given. And objective marks you have already done the copy by using the copy paste. So after confirmation, press enter key. You will get a total of subjective marks. See here you will get the total of subjective marks. Click on a total column in front of first student and type the formula. So you have to type this formula equal to sum in whatever the column it may be. Note I3 and J2 are response sheet cell address where subjective and objective marks are stored, and now we are going to add those. This cell address may differ in your response sheet file, so this may differ. Okay, so here I3 and J2, the file I have demonstrated there N2 and O3 was there. Here I3 and J2. So it may differ in your case. So remember this formula equal to sum, and it will really helpful for you in future. And after confirmation, press enter key. As soon as you press enter key, you will get the total. So press enter, you will get the total of subjective and objective marks of the first student. Then you have to simply drag it up to the last student and done. Now if you have any question answers, Suhas sir, if something
Yes,
is
sir. Go
missing.
back to the screen. Yes, go back to the live sheet.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, please delete. Just keep 2 questions or 3 questions and delete the other questions, so that I have everything on my screen seen together.
Okay.
Can you decrease the cell sizes
Yes.
of roll number and grade?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, sir, can you use that boxes all border? Can you use the wrap text and make the questions? See, guys, we have to use this. Answers बड़े बड़े होंगे, इतना छोटा सा नहीं होगा. ये ऑप्शनल है, इसलिए कंप्यूटर वाला, इसलिए इसके आंसर छोटे छोटे हैं.
Wrap text.
Imagine English वाले लोग, you are going to have compositions in one cell. You're going to have letters in one cell. Your cells are certainly going to be bigger than this size. Okay, so we have to manually do that. एक बार ही करना है वो बस. So accordingly adjust your cells, the first cells, question वाले जो है and answers वाले है, you use it properly. It can be big cells also, no problem. Whatever is convenient for you. If longer if you want, or you want wider, it is completely up to you. What is easy for you to read. Yes, sir. Thank you. Now, imagine question 1 and question 2 was optional. Out of this, we wanted to solve one. And he has solved both. How will you do it, Swapnil, sir?
Sir, in this case, we have to do it.
Here I can write word extra, or you can just not write a mark there.
Or else put a 0 or not write the mark. It will.
Because big writing 0 would be better. Because you are going to calculate it at the end.
See, suppose question 1 and question 2 is optional, and student has solved both, so the total will be 2. So simply delete the marks. It will automatically update the total, or simply write the 0. Still the total will be same. Okay.
So that is about optional questions. So please take care. Also, I just wanted to bring it to your notice. शायद objective में भी अगर optional थे, तो एक बार देख लो, नहीं तो unnecessary extra marks होंगे वहाँ पे. I don't think so there might be any subject, but then just in case if there were some required questions and वहाँ optional थे और बच्चों ने ज़्यादा solve किए हैं, तो objective में भी अगर extra हो, तो you have to check that once. Okay. So that is one about.
Yeah, these things can be done manual only, because we are using.
Yes.
We don't have enough software for this. These
Right.
are done by the manual.
Also, imagine जो कुछ स्वप्निल सर ने वो sum वाला और वो वाला बताया है, वो मुझे नहीं समझा, और I'm not very good at Excel. Firstly, let me appeal that learn it now. This is the right time to learn this, and that too with that easy way where he has shown the PowerPoint of pictures. You can Google it. You can have 2-3 numbers, Sarika ma'am, me, Swapnil sir, and learn it how to do it. This is the right time. You can come online on Zoom with us. We can individually teach you the Excel. इससे बेहतर और क्या हो सकता है, I don't know. Right? So ask for help in case if you're not able to do it. Don't just manually do it. Okay. I want everybody to learn this, which is the basic of Excel. We don't want to be masters in it, but it is certainly going to be in the long run helpful for us in case if you find it little difficult. Coming back, so even if you don't know, so can you come back to the total wala column?
This one.
हाँ, मुझे वो sum वाला और वो कैसे किया नहीं समझ रहा है. Delete करो सर वो total. तो मैन्युअली देख लो. 10 + 1 वहां लिखो सर, टाइप करो हाथ से. 11. सर इज इक्वल टू मत करो प्लीज, डायरेक्ट मैन्युअली, मुझे नहीं आता फॉर्मूला
11.
तुम्हारा।
Yes.
हाँ, अब यहाँ पे 10 + 4 14, बस फुल स्टॉप, बस रुक जाओ, इतने मैथ्स आता है मुझे। So this is how you can do it manually if you don't want to play with the formula. Similarly, आपको वो sort नहीं करना था ना, filter, sort custom, do it manually then, but that is going to make it more difficult
Time
with
consuming.
these, and time consuming and repetition of work. जो चीज ऑटोमेटिक कंप्यूटर करके दे सकता है, तो हम क्यों हमारा दिमाग और हमारा वक्त बर्बाद करें? So please try to use these tips, and unless you see it yourself, it would not be really possible. ठीक, so coming back, अगर question optional है तो उन options को देखते चलो, ठीक, and उसके मुताबिक करते चलो. So as I said, 1 and 2 में से एक ही करना था, तो उसने 2 किए हैं. उसमें से जो higher version है, as in एक वाला है और यहाँ पे 0.5 था, तो count 1 and then go ahead. Right, so that is one important thing for extra questions, or where it is
Sir,
optional
can I say
questions.
one thing?
Sure.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What I was going to say, for this optional thing, what is going to happen now? The moderator and the checker, it may think, because there are large number of cells in front of us, so there may be a confusion. So कौन सा पकड़ा, कौन सा नहीं पकड़ा है. तो हम ये कर सकते हैं सबके लिए कि the question that is extra, we can highlight that or color it by a green color. So that is the extra one. We don't have, the checker has not counted those marks. So फिर से एक बार वो दिखा सकते हैं आप कि समझो एक क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा है, तो वो वाला
सिर्फ मार्क को हाईलाइट करने कह रहा है वो, सिर्फ 0 एक काम की.
हाँ, रेड कर सकते हैं या ग्रीन कर सकते हैं, जो भी है.
ओके, सपोज उसने सॉल्व कर दिया है और हमको मार्क्स काउंट नहीं करना है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू हाईलाइट इट.
हाँ,
बट इन दैट
केस टोटल में सर टोटल आने वाला है उससे. सर ये मार्क लिखने के कारण टोटल आने वाला है.
इन दैट केस
तो उससे अच्छा नहीं, पर योगेश सर का भी लेते हैं हम, बस 0 लिखते हैं पर हाईलाइट करते हैं कि वो करेक्ट था आंसर, पर हमने काउंट नहीं किया क्योंकि वो एक्स्ट्रा था.
यस लाइक दैट.
So what color should we highlight there? Yellow
green
or
then
green?
Yogesh sir, let's use green.
Sir, green color, just a minute. See how to
वो डार्क होगा क्या? लाइट कोई भी ग्रीन.
Green car. This one. Like this. Like this it will look. It will look like.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
So that is highlighted because you could have got marks there, but then we have. Now why are we giving 0? Because वो total में आना नहीं चाहिए. वहाँ पे extra word भी लिख सकते थे हम. But that will affect the formula, na sir? Show me how to write extra, and will it affect the total?
No.
Yes, sure.
It is not affecting.
Not affecting, na? So we can write the marks also then. Why 0? Write there 1.
Sir, no. If you write 1, that will be counted, na?
No, but we are writing the extra marks, extra word over there, na? It is not.
See, it is not getting counted.
It is not getting counted.
Not getting counted.
Okay, then it's good, hai na?
Yeah.
We can have
this looks good.
Everywhere.
Yes.
This looks good. Yes.
EX लिखा तो भी चलेगा, EX TRA completely लिखा तो भी चलेगा. One thing we can have common. And one color itself, है ना?
Yes.
Done. Okay. Reshma madam, you have some doubt? Reshma madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, this downloading of the form, no? That we can go into download responses also, and this thing, no? Beside that green button, there are 3 dots, है ना? But that when I downloaded that file, no, it is not getting saved. It is showing the extension as CSV, and it is only showing me read only copy.
नहीं, तूने green sign से करना चाहिए download.
नहीं सर, वो क्या हुआ, आज मैंने ग्रीन साइन पे क्लिक किया तो वो डाउनलोड हुआ, बट देन देयर वर नो, द डेटा वाज मिसिंग देयर, द नेम, ग्रेड and the whatever the data was, the name, grade and the roll number, all were missing, but only the score and responses were there. So I immediately called Yogesh sir actually to help me out. So that's how then 3 dots से फिर मैंने download करके मैंने attendance भेज दिया है. But now while I'm correcting, I can see that that's only a read-only copy, and I'm not able
No,
to.
in that case,
edit.
you can make anybody of us collaborators, and we can download it from our end and send you the response sheet.
हाँ ठीक है. So I'll make Swapnil sir as collaborator or you.
Yes, and we
as
will
collaborator.
send you that down. It will take hardly 2 minutes for us to download that response sheet for you.
हाँ ठीक है. Because Yogesh sir also tried it. He also did not get that.
No, that's what. So let us try. You just make us a collaborator of that form. Now the paper is done. We'll help you to download it.
हाँ ठीक है. But why is that happening? That why it is showing CSV? Because both the options are almost the same, right?
Reshma madam. No, Reshma
CSV
madam.
is a complete different format.
Reshma madam, when you are selecting CSV, it is a default Google format that is comma separated a value. It means the delimiter, the separator is comma in between each and every field. We don't require that. Yeah, we don't require that format because it is for some.
I saw that because every field is like, it is repeating 2 times there.
Yes.
So rule number is coming 2 times. The grade is coming 2 times. Name is coming 2 times. So like that it is.
Better what we will do, we will open the response on the browser only, and here option download Excel. There are many options like PDF, ODS, etc. But we require Excel because we have to do the calculation further, and it is really easy to do the calculation in Excel. So we can download it in Excel format. Don't go for
so I'll make you the collaborator in my form, so you can download it and give it to me, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
For today.
Yes. Yeah? Yes. So anything else? Oh, thank you, ma'am. Anything else? Anyone want to share or ask something regarding this?
Swapnil sir,
yes.
While checking, because in my literature we have long answers and all, so I have to increase the size of the particular.
Ma'am, see, madam, like this. Suppose you have a long answers like this. Okay, so there is an option wrap text. You have to select first. You have to select the file, and you have to click on the wrap text. Okay, and then you have to increase the column. Now there is a shortcut way how to increase a column. Fine. Suppose I will show you. Everything is like this. Sab chota hai. Everything is like this. Okay. So how you are going to increase it? So select the column, and simply double click on any one column. See, it will give this, but we don't require this also because ये ज़्यादा दूर हो गया सब कुछ. So simply Control Z it and click on the wrap text. So wrap text is a good option for this. So you will get your data in the box in front of you.
Okay. And yesterday I just tried to check. So I clicked on the letter. The best part was, the whole letter got, only that letter was seen. It was, it popped up and whole letter was seen.
Madam, what I'm not getting.
Yes, it happens. Yes. When you go to that cell, you can see it, read it, only
that letter got popped up, and I could read the whole letter properly from top to bottom, like.
Yeah.
Because I'm having essay writing also, picture
like
composition.
This.
Like this.
So if you double click on it, you can read. So I'm double click. I'm doing double click on this column or this cell particularly. So I can read the thing.
Whole.
Yes, like this. Yes.
So when I do wrap
list,
I get all.
Ami ma'am, but then reading it like that is not a good idea. Better adjust the cell. And now, sir, please वो cell बड़ा करो जरा. आपको सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, sir. और एक चीज है, वो real brother में brother का spelling wrong है. Can you please make it red? We also have to underline, make wrong and write here, ना?
अच्छा.
For compositions को नहीं करना चाहिए क्या? Languages में?
Do we have to show the mistake like this? Each and every
What if
answer?
for at least letters and compositions, yes.
Oh.
Languages, or you underline it at least. If you don't want to play with the color, then what is the correction? How will you remember why you've given 2 marks there?
Okay.
So, madam, for this, now, suppose the brother spelling is wrong. What you have to do?
Huh.
You have to select this cell. Once you
Okay.
select this cell, you have to just double click on this
Brother.
that letter, brother, and
At
just
least a few errors, ma'am. If not all errors, there has to be some corrections. Or what is the correction that we have done? Just reading would not mean corrections.
And sir, one more question I had. In literature, the first question is what is the meaning of crystal? And form means you have to write in your own sentence. Use that word crystal in your own sentence. So there are two things, and it's just 2 marks. So if the sentence is not proper,
If
then
one is
how,
correct, you will give 1 mark. Simple.
if it is not correct, then how will I show the mistake? That's what I'm asking.
You can make it. See, if you're giving red, so red, color it red, na? The wrong part.
Okay.
suppose,
Or
madam,
underline it.
suppose, madam, this much is the wrong part. See, you have to select the cell first. You have to double click, so your cursor will be changed. Your cursor will be blinking cursor. It is a textual cursor, blinking cursor. Select this and come to here and select the red color, or simply underline it like this.
Whichever is easier and faster for you.
And sir, it is 1 mark. Okay, one that in your own.
Yes, yes, it is
1
1
mark.
plus 1.
So either 1 or 0. That's all.
Right.
No point. No 0.5. No, right? We don't have
Yeah,
to
you
give
need.
it 0.5.
See, if you think that it was closer to the meaning, the spelling was wrong. The meaning was almost close to it. It is up to you. It is your discretion, right?
Okay.
We don't have a rule that we don't give 0.5 marks.
Okay,
We
sir.
can certainly give 0.5 marks.
Fine.
Them
Swapnil sir,
toys
I
have
have
say.
one thing.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second. Click on any of the cells. Suppose they have to underline it or read it. Click on any of the cell ones. This one. Yeah. So
Underline
we can
and
see the upper scroll bar. No, don't select it. Don't select it, sir. We can see. We can select from the upper scroll bar. From there.
yes, from here also, yes.
We can click over there, so it will be easy over there also, because playing in the cell will be a little bit difficult.
It
Can you
will be the
explain them,
same.
please, once?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Like
explain
this.
that once?
Yes. I am clicking on this cell, and suppose I think this is the wrong part of the answer. So I will select over here, and I will simply underline it or red, whatever it may be, like this. So it will give the same effect as
Yeah.
we had done with the cell.
Sometimes what happens, working in the cell is difficult, so we can work over there also on the upper scroll bar.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Done, I guess. Any
Yes,
more
sir.
questions? Any more queries? Unless we try this ourselves, it would not be. It right now seems to be बाप रे बहुत कुछ करना है, पर actually ज़्यादा नहीं है. We have been doing this many a times. Just as I said, remember the cell sizes can be big, huge, no problem at all. Do it the way that is convenient for you. You can increase the font, you can do it the way you want, right? Which is easier, and which would be easier for you would be easier for a moderator. So what is the moderator wala expectations now? Because all of us are also playing the dual role there. So Swapnil sir, will you, or Yogesh sir, will you please guide us? What should be a moderator be doing? Expectations from a moderator for an online paper?
Yogesh sir?
Yes, sir.
Will
Yes,
you please guide us? What would be the expectations for a moderator due for such kind of a paper? For online corrections, what would be the roles and responsibility of a moderator?
So as Swapnil sir has showed it in a red color now. Suppose the paper checker has given it wrong. This red color is the wrong one. And if the moderator is not agree with that, so we can just keep it a note with us on a page or a notebook. And after all the class moderation is done, suppose 6th A is done, the moderator can give a call to the subject teacher that I am having a doubt. You can open your file also. I'll open my file also. And online they can tally it. No, this should be correct. This should be wrong. And at both the places, it will be done with the moderator also and with the corrector also. Or the same file can be done over there itself. Suppose abhi my moderator who and suppose Anita ma'am has checked the paper and suppose I think the red part, that question column F part, second wala, suppose I think that is right and Anita ma'am has given it wrong. So I'll keep the record everything with me. I'll give a call to Anita ma'am and just talk with her, ma'am, I think this is right. And if she and we both agree, we will remove that. I'll remove it and save the file with me. And mostly these things are going to happen only 1 or 2 in a paper, not much than that, I think. Okay, everyone? Swaz sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if you don't want to
Barabar,
really, yes, you can color it in a like other color and send the file back to them and ask them to recheck that. Together, when
but,
you make one call, you can do it for all the classes together. मतलब एक कॉल
Yeah.
जब करोगे तो सारे बच्चों का एक साथ ही डिस्कस कर लो. When all your
एक साथ
moderation for all 4 is done.
हाँ, एक साथ करके ना वो चैप्टर वहीं पे क्लोज कर दो. मैं तो वो कहता हूँ कि
Exactly.
बाद में
Right,
नहीं
right,
आप करो
right.
मैं करो, उससे करने से अच्छा वो चैप्टर वहीं पे क्लोज करो क्योंकि वो बाद में हम भूल जाते हैं.
बेहतर है. Yes.
And I think in each class there will be hardly 1 or 2 queries like this if you go on very clearly. So that will not be a big issue. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ठीक, जस्ट टोटलिंग देख लो. कभी कभी क्या होगा, मॉडरेटर्स प्लीज ये टोटलिंग वाला फॉर्मूला सही किया है कि नहीं, दैट वुड बी आर हेल्पफुल. सी वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्प ईच अदर इंस्टेड ऑफ अ थर्ड पर्सन गाइडिंग अस एंड टेलिंग कि अरे ये पेपर चेक ही नहीं हुआ है, ये क्वेश्चन ही चेक नहीं था. ऐसे होने से अच्छा वी नीड टू गाइड ईच अदर. व्हाई हैव वी केप्ट मॉडरेशन इवन फॉर सच ऑनलाइन रिस्पॉन्सेज थिंग? अंडरस्टैंड द इंटेंशन बिहाइंड इट इज टू हेल्प एंड गाइड ईच अदर. तो इन केस इफ मेरा एक क्वेश्चन अनचेक्ड था, so who would tell me that? It is with someone else eyes also that the paper is being reviewed again. That is the basic idea always. So just check if the formulas are right, if the totaling is been done right. Randomly आप 2-4 total भी देख लो तो समझ जाएगा कि okay, this is the total part is right. Rest all is all automatically done. But somebody who might have not opted for the formula and अगर वो मैन्युअली किया है तो एक बार दो चार टोटल तो देखनी जरूरी है. मैं 2-4 ही क्यों कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अगर आप स्वप्निल सर के तरीके से जा रहे हो तो मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स इज ऑटोमेटेड ना. इट्स कंप्लीटली ऑटोमेटिक, ऑल formula driven. So there is not much there that to check. So rest of the part, the saved energy can be put into to check if all the cells are corrected, will all the questions are corrected, and whether they are corrected in a right way. Right? Done.
And
So this
sir, one
0.5
more thing.
marks will be
Now, as
added
the
in the end.
Yes. It becomes automatically, na?
It will be added, right?
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, team, do you have any doubts? Please ask.
No, sir.
Swaz, sir,
Yes.
and all the team members. It can happen, one thing can happen over there. As we are working ahead every day, we can come across some new things which are more easier than this also. That is what we call research.
Right.
Which can make our work more easier than this. So we can think on that also every day. We can share it with each other.
Surely, sir. Yes. And this is just one way of doing it. If you find it any way easier, we can certainly share with each other, as sir is trying to say. Yes. We are not trying to dictate this method.
But this one was really excellent one. Swapnil sir, Swaz sir, Sarika madam, and the entire team. Really.
And Yogesh sir, and all of us. Sir, 6 to 8 rocks.
तो अभी खाना बनाने का है सर को.
Swaz sir wanted to know.
Yes.
That are we showing anything to the parents or the students about
as of now,
responses?
ma'am, as of now, no. But then soon we may come up with a solution to that. And I think we may have to come to a point that where we may have to show something individually, not to the group entirely, or maybe during our online classes. टाइम देंगे और शायद उसको दिखाना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ करेक्शंस प्लीज अच्छे से इसी तरह से करो कि कोई थर्ड पर्सन को शेयर करना पड़े तो डर नहीं आना चाहिए, डर नहीं लगना चाहिए. सो सिर्फ विकास बिरारी ने मंगवाया है ना, या सिर्फ उसको दिखाना है, बाकी की सारी चीजें डिलीट करके ऑनलाइन जूम लेके शायद दिखाना पड़े, तो बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट.
Okay.
Yeah, so do it in such a way, not just as I said, please don't do it for a formality at all. It is assessment. So it has to be done in a proper religious, meticulous way that we have been doing before. And please take help. ये आज हो गया बता दिया, 10 times पूछना है, please पूछो, don't hesitate at all. आज हो गया मतलब खत्म हो गया ऐसा नहीं, करते करते शायद आपको डिफिकल्ट लगे. So anytime, feel free to call us. Don't struggle alone. Done? Chalo, Swapnil sir, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
It was really helpful. We'll
Thank
give
you, sir.
thank you on the group also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
night. Bye bye
Thank
all.
you,
So,
sir.
Swapnil sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Yogesh sir.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, Swapnil sir. Thank you,
अरे
Yogesh
बाप
sir.
रे,
Thank you,
मेरा नहीं
Swapnil.
कुछ. Swapnil. Oh,
Thank you, sir.
thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Swapnil sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Superb एकदम. अरे बस क्या यार. But it was really nice. Actually, it was required.
I tried my best.
मिलते ब्रेक के बाद.
चलो sir. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yes.